Yo, what is happening, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to be going over what you can expect when you start a search-based channel, because sometimes it can get quite difficult. It's not the easiest thing in the world to start. Once you have your momentum going and you have a couple hundred videos out there, when it comes to search-based YouTube, it gets a lot easier. But I want to go over in this video a few things that you can expect when starting your search-based channel. So I'm sure you all know how to go onto YouTube and then basically create a channel, upload a banner, get a logo done. Okay, you can do all of this within ChatGPT. Okay, it's really simple and not too complicated. The complications start coming in when you're actually doing the uploads of your YouTube channel. So things like doing keyword research, doing thumbnails, outsourcing, and things like that. So I would say that the hardest part about actually doing search-based YouTube is keyword research. So what you can expect out of keyword research when you're just getting started is, when you just start doing your keyword research, whether you just go and do the search bar method, you use Google Trends, you use ChatGPT, DeepSeek, whatever you're using to get your keywords, you're not going to be the best in the beginning. Okay, it does take practice in order to, first of all, identify what is a good keyword. So in my terms, a good keyword is something that has a lot of search volume. So for instance, if you get 10,000 views in a month with that keyword, that would be a good result. And there mustn't be a lot of competition for that keyword. So there must be a good amount of volume and not that much competition for that particular keyword. Then you're onto a winner, and then you have yourself a good keyword right there. But spotting these keywords in the beginning can be quite difficult. A course can tell you how to find the keywords, but it's up to you to practice every single day your keyword research. I wouldn't outsource keyword research at all. That's something that you want to do, whether that's something you should do, whether you want to do 30 videos a week, 50 videos, even 100 videos a week. You will have to dedicate that time in order to find these keywords. Okay, so that all comes down to practice. I would say you have to practice at least 1 to 2 hours every single week on your keyword research in order to find these winning keywords. And then what's going to happen is your channel is going to start blowing up as a result of this keyword research. Because when it comes to the videos for search-based YouTube, it's normally just a screen recording plus a voiceover and some light editing, maybe a little bit of captions and an effect or two. But the main thing that's going to make or break your channel is whether you rank for those specific keywords or you don't rank for those keywords. Because it's no point creating 100 videos per week, but they all have way too much competition and you don't rank for these keywords. You end up getting 2-3 views per video. And you don't actually rank for these keywords. So what you have to do is identify these keywords, and if you start doing this by month, I would say month 6, you're going to have a really good understanding on how to actually do this, and your channel has the potential to actually go viral. You're going to notice your graph is going to be straight, and then it's just going to blow up from there. So that's a result of good keyword research. This happened to me back 2 years ago. I was just flatlining it till I learned the proper keyword research method, and boom, my channel exploded. So that's what I would expect for you if you do the same. Now, how do you find these keywords? Well, you have to basically do the search bar method. In my 5 years of doing search-based YouTube, that is what I found to work the best, is the search bar method. And you can watch various YouTube videos on my YouTube channel about the search bar method, and then you'll be good to go. Just practice that every single day and you'll be off to the races. So the next thing that you should be expecting when it comes to starting your channel, growing your channel, and maintaining your channel is your consistency. How consistent do you want to be with your YouTube channel? Because the more consistent you are with your YouTube channel, the better results that you will get. So some people take the approach where they upload every single day no matter what, 5, 6, 7 videos every single day no matter what. Some channels do weekly, and then some channels just upload everything that they have recorded over the past 1 week or 2 weeks in one single batch, every 1 week or every 2 weeks or so. So that's the method that you can do. If you don't want to put unnecessary stress onto yourself, you can get all your videos done. So whether you're doing 30 videos or 50 videos, create all the videos or get them outsourced, and then upload them all at once, because then it's really easy. You have all the videos, you have all the thumbnails, it's just copy and paste in the YouTube studio, and you can get those uploaded in about 2 to 3 hours, 50 to 60 videos or so. So that's the method that a lot of people do, and it does work. So when it comes to your consistency, you have to stay consistent, because you want to keep feeding your channel with a catalog of videos. Because if you can build from a 500 video catalog to 1,000, eventually like 5,000 videos uploaded onto your channel, those views are just going to stack up, because what ends up happening is that over the years, the longer a video is out, eventually the video stops getting views. So if you upload 1,000 videos, you're getting, let's say, 400,000 views every 30 days. If you don't upload for 6 months, those 1,000 videos that you did upload, sure, they're on your channel, but the momentum of those videos isn't quite there anymore. And you're going to notice that maybe you drop down to 200,000 views every single month, which is a 50% decrease. And you don't want that to be happening with your search-based channel. So you want to keep feeding your channel with videos, build your catalog every single month, and then that'll get you the best results, because after about a year or 2 or 3, the videos do start dying out, and then you need fresh content to take their place, because these videos also lose their relevancy after a couple of months or a year. And then you need to do maybe an update video of a particular method. There's a totally new layout in the specific app, and then you have to adjust your tutorials according to what is current in the social media apps, and that's going to get you the best results. So for instance, Discord changed their whole entire layout. So you could do how to create a Discord account 2025 updated method. You could put that as your title. People are going to know that Discord has updated, and they want to know how to do everything legitimately in the new layout, and then you'll provide that solution. If you can be one of the first, you'll get a lot of views doing that. And keep in mind, there's a lot of apps out there, so you can jump on these apps and do the updates every single year, and farm some views that way. Well, not really farm views, but get a lot of views that way. And then you can also, when it comes to your YouTube channel, what you can expect to do is do like 80% evergreen content, and then like 20% trends. Okay, trends are pretty powerful, because with a trend, if you hop on a few trends, they explode really quickly, these types of videos. You can expect like 100,000, 300,000, 400,000 views in a matter of a week, which is pretty difficult to achieve with a regular evergreen video. So if you're doing like 80% evergreen and 20% trends, whenever these trends do pop up, you can basically get the maximum views for your channel every month. The only problem with these trends videos is that they do die out after a couple of days. Okay, so after like 8 days, it's irrelevant, and then they stop getting views. But the fact that you got like 1 million views off a couple of trends, that's like an extra $2,000 or so that you could have gotten with your YouTube channel. So don't forget about trends. You want to hop on them when they do appear. So trends appear on things like Discord. They do these challenges on Discord where you can get prizes like free nitro and things like that. Roblox, how to get free Roblox. You can do videos with legitimate ways on how to get free, let's say, Robux. Okay, TikTok has a lot of trends and a lot of stuff going on TikTok. So use Google Trends, use ChatGPT to identify these trends, and then stick to that as your main strategy. 80% evergreen, 20% trends. That'll give you the boost that you need when your evergreen videos are slow, and you should be good to go. So if you have any thoughts or comments related to this video, drop them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. I really appreciate that, and I'll see you in the next video.